Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Markettailor. It's an amazing tool guys, and as of now I'm recording this video. This tool has been launched on AppSumo just today, and it's an personalized landing page builder. That means, see, if I go to the website passivern.com, see here one word included Dhaka. I have been set up whenever someone will visit it from my country or from my city, they will see this word on my website and on this landing page. But if anyone visit outside of my city, they will not see this word basically. And you can edit and you can set up these things for all your page. You can set up these things for all your design. That means you can personalize your website or your landing page for a specific country, for a specific time zone, or for a specific city, or there have a lot of other condition you can set up here. I hope you get some basic idea guys. The idea is you can create here personalized landing page on your website. You do not need to use different website or different url for different country or different city or different type of people. You can use only one website and you can personalize your website depending on their behavior, depending on their location, depending on their let's say city or country, or depending on their time zone. I hope you get some basic idea guys about this Markettailor tool. We will explore all the features after some time, but now if you see, they're saying that Markettailor helps you to create data driven landing pages for B2B leads with audience segmentation, conversion tracking, and A/B testing. And if you see Markettailor's lifetime deal pricing from here, they are offering you up to license tier 5, and see on license tier 1 you will get 2500 inbound visitors, 2500 outbound visitors per month. And if you need everything unlimited guys, you have to get this license tier 5. So depending on your need, you have to get any tier, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Markettailor and let's explore what are the features that they are offering. But before that, one thing I want to mention guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group guys, you're cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now this is the dashboard that you will get whenever you will log in or sign up on Markettailor. And after sign up on Markettailor, you have to set up this Markettailor for your website, or you have to connect your website with Markettailor basically, and for which there have one option C, installation. Just go to this installation section, and here have one script. Just copy this script from here, and see they're saying embed the code as high as possible into the head section of all the pages you want to personalize. So after copying this code from here, just copy it and then go to the backend of your website, and see here on the backend in the header section, I have been added this script. So in your case, you have to go to the backend of your website and you have to keep this code on the head section or header section of your website. And after that, come to this page, and here you have to see this active status. Whenever you will see this active status, then you will be sure that the setup process is completed. I hope you get idea guys how you can set up Markettailor on your website. After that, come to the segment section, and here you can create multiple segment. And segment means basically personalization your website. So see there, I have been created two campaign, and this campaign is for the visitors from Bangladesh, and there have one another campaign named Camp 101. That means in every campaign you can create conditions for your visitors basically. Now we will create one condition or one segment. Just click here, create new segment, and then see there have inbound segment and outbound segment. For this video I'll create an inbound segment. Just click here, create segment, and here see you can set up the rules. Let's say here have different attributes. See there have country attributes, city, region or state, time zone, preferred language, number of pages viewed, page visited, number of sessions, referral sources. Then there have a lot of other UTM parameter, and there also have technology category, and query string is also available here. Now let's say you want to show a specific content for a specific country's visitors, and you want to show another specific content for another country's visitor. So you can select these things. Let's say if you select country and then country is, let's say country is India. So country is India, and also you can set up here multiple country and United States. So if country is India and United States, then what you want to show them, you have to set up these things to this to editor section. I hope you can see there have one button to editor. So after adding all your rules, then you have to go to this to editor. You can add more rules from here. Just click here add rule, and then you can select any attribute you need. Let's say the preferred language, that means the people who will visit to your website from India and United States and whose language is, let's say, Hindi. Hindi is not available here. Let's say English. Yes, English is available, but here have a lot of uh, language C, but Hindi is not available here. Anyway guys, so you can select these things, and here also have and or condition. You can select these things also from here, and after adding all your rules, I hope you get idea how to add rules here. And here give a name of your campaign. Let's say camp 102, the name of the campaign. Then just click here to editor. Now what to do in this to editor, the people who will follow these rules here that I have been set up, what they will see whenever they will visit to your website, just click here to editor and see this is my landing page. Let's say this is my landing page. Now I can edit all the things. See, there have option. You can personalize any image, any text, any button, any field you want basically from here. Let's say you do not want to show this image for the visitors and that you have been set up into the condition. You can change the image also from here. See, there have the image URL. Just change the image URL, then the image will be changed for the specific visitors. And let's say you want to show a different text to these visitors. Let's say you do not want to show this text. See, let's say you want to show hello there for this specific country's visitors or this specific languages visitor. So people will see this text. That means I hope you get idea guys what you can do with this tool. You can personalize your landing page or your website for a specific group of people by using this Markettailor tool. These are the whole idea guys. You can change the heading style, then you can change the size of your text of your image, you can change the weight, you can change color, background. So these are the things. They have image option. If you have any image, you can change the image. You can change the link if you have any link. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. After doing all the things, then you can save and exit, and you can also publish it. So now I am publishing. Now if I visit to my website and now if I reload it, let me reload it here. See, I am seeing here, be your own boss and Dhaka. Why? Because I am from Dhaka and I have been set up this segment for this Camp 101 campaign basically. And if my location is India or United States, then definitely I will see here, hello there. I hope you get idea guys. This is the way to create your personalized landing page by using this Markettailor tool guys, and it's very dynamic and it's a really interesting tool to use. And after that there have page. You can set up for who is page you want to personalize these things here. Basically the last tool is integration. See, there have Salesforce integration, HubSpot integration, there have Google Analytics. I have been added my Google Analytics here. There have segment integration and Kickfire and Clearbit. I hope you get idea guys about this tool, but the main feature of this tool is this personalization by using this segmentation feature, and the tool is really amazing. If you think you need guys this type of personalized landing page builder, then definitely you can get this Markettailor lifetime deal from AppSumo. So guys, my recommendation is buy it if you think you need this tool for your business or for your personal growth. and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing, guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Markettailor lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.